So students, today we are going to learn about lesson number 20, only one mother. Okay, so see, there is a very important role which play our mother in our life. Okay, so see, this is the poem. For we'll read poem, then I will explain it. Okay, so first, see poem. Okay, hundreds of stars in the pretty sky, hundreds of shells on the shore together, hundreds of birds that go singing by, hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather, hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, hundreds of bees in the purple clover, hundreds of butterflies on the lawn, but only one mother the wide world over. Okay, so this poem is written by poet George Cooper. Okay, and in his poem, he is saying about the mother. Okay, so see here in the poem, the poet says that there are hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. You know that the sky is full of stars. Okay, so here the poet is telling that there are hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Okay, hundreds of shells on the shore together. Okay, so see, there are hundreds of shells together on the shore. Okay, there are hundreds of birds that go singing by and hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather. Okay, so here there are hundreds of dewdrops to greet the dawn, means there are hundreds of dewdrops that can be seen during the dawn. Okay, dawn means early morning, and hundreds of bees in the purple clover patch. Yes, clover means a type of plants. Okay, means you can see that hundred of bees in the purple clover patch and hundreds of butterflies. Uh, yes, hundred of butterflies can be seen on the lawn. Okay, but only one mother the wide world over. But the poet says here that for a child there is only one mother in the whole world. Means there are so many things in the world, that hundreds of stars, hundreds of shells, then birds, lambs, dewdrops, bees, butterflies. Okay, but there is only one mother in the whole world. Okay, so see here, why does the poet says that the dewdrops greet the dawn? See the lines, hundreds of dewdrops to greet the lawn. Okay, the dewdrops are present early in the morning. Dewdrops which we can see, a drop of water early in the morning. Okay, so see, dawn means early morning. So dewdrops are present early in the morning at dawn, just as the sun rises. Okay, and afterwards they vanish. And why? This is, the poet says that dewdrops greet the dawn. Okay, now see, there are some examples which poet is using for showing yes, using of playful things. Okay, so see, the poet says that there are plenty of stars, means there are hundreds of stars, means there are plenty of stars, plenty of shells, plenty of birds, plenty of lambs, dewdrops, bees and butterflies, but there is only one mother in the world. Okay, so here, yes, with the poem, yes, by this poem, the poet is telling that there are so many things in the world, but for a child, there is only one mother in the world, whole world. Okay, so here the poet is telling, yet poet is saying that there are hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Okay, so means there are so many, there are, the means sky is full of the stars. Okay, hundreds of shells on the seashore. Okay, you can say there are so many shells in the sea. Okay, there are so many birds in the sky and they are singing. Okay, and there are so many lamps, means hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather. Okay, but there is only one mother, okay, in the world. There are no 100 mother falls, only one mother. Yes, only one mother in the whole world. Okay, for a child there is only one mother. So here, by expressing these all the things, the poet is telling the importance of mother, and we can't compare our mother. Okay. So this is a very easy poem. Yes, students.
Lesson number 10. Lesson number 20. Only one mother. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. Hundreds of cells on the shore together. Hundreds of birds that go singing by. Hundreds of lamps in the sunny weather. Hundreds of deep drops in the great in the lawn. Hundreds of bees in the purple clover. Hundreds of butterflies on the lawn. But only one mother, the wide world over. Thank you.
Very good, dear. Rhyming words. Okay, there are some rhyming words. Yes. So see, there are some rhyming words. Is sky. Okay, which is the rhyming word for the sky? That is by. Okay, sky, by. See here, sky, by. Okay, then together, weather. Okay, together, weather. Then lawn, lawn. Okay, dawn, lawn. And one more we can see that together, weather and mother also. Sky, by, together, weather and mother. Then dawn, lawn. Then clover and over. Okay, so what is the meaning of clover? That is a type of plant. Okay, a type of plant.